네. 반갑습니다. 오신 거 가까이. 네, 일단 첫 번째로는 8년 전에 여기 왔을 때는 정말 그것도 모르는 신혼이었는데 다시 이렇게 여러분들 앞에서 쓰게 됐다는 게 참 다행인 것 같고요. 그리고 예, 지금 되게 행복하게 신앙을 잘하고 있고 네, 성황제가 많이 사랑해 주시기 바랍니다.
Hanapin na naman mag-translate? Sabi niya, nice to see you again. At nung pumunta kasi siya dito, wala pa siyang kaalaman. Actually, kaka-release lang niya ng first album niya ng time na yun. So, he was a newbie. So, siya yung pinakabata ng time na yun. Pero so far, 8 years na ang nakaraan. And he has achieved so much for himself. So, he's very proud of all his achievements. And he hopes to achieve so much more in the future. And he's so happy to be back here in the Philippines. And he has missed it a lot. Thank you.
Next we have Nico. Sydney. Hi, so we have a question for Daniel. Daniel? Hi. I heard you have a band and you play lead vocals and guitar. Who are your musical influences and do you think it's something K-pop fans would like?
I doubt it's something K-pop fans would like. I used to have a band when I was in New York. That was probably 5, 6 years ago. So we split up when I started doing the Korean drama circuit thing. It was more rock music, sort of like The Doors, Stone Temple Pilots, Pearl Jam, that kind of thing. It was more of a heavy rock effort. So not K-pop per se, but you never know. Things change. So. Maybe I should.